Today we will be making this nice Halloween pony bead card. It has pony beads with a face you can kind of see, and then curly cues. And then I wrote inside, I have two ghosts say boo boo, and then I have bats, and then it says when black cats prowl and pumpkins gleam, may luck be on Halloween, and then we have two pumpkins and a cat. So okay, let's make this card now. Today we'll be making a pony bead pumpkin card. I was originally going to do an apple with paint and make a stamp from that, but I can't find my paint, so I assumed this would be a little better. So what you're going to be needing is a saying that you found online for your card. I have when black cats prowl and pumpkins gleam, may luck be yours on Halloween. You can find anything on the, I went to the images. I think I wrote in funny Halloween pumpkin sayings or something. Either a pen or a pencil, some cardstock that's in fall colors. I wouldn't recommend that you use orange because it will blend in. And you're going to need some orange pony beads and some sort of adhesive. I have a hot glue gun. You can use whatever you like. So we're going to fold our card in half. You can either have your card like this, where it's the long ways, or you can fold it in half again. Let's see. We gotta make our thingies crisp if you want. I'm just using a pair of scissors. Alright, so you're going to start off by drawing your pumpkin shape. So let's see. I'm going to go get a pencil. I don't think this pen. We'll use the pen. So you're going to draw any shape you want. So I went mine kind of looks like an apple, but when we add the pony beads, it'll be a little better. So basically I just made an oval shape because pumpkins come in all different kinds of shapes, I suppose. You could also do when you cut an apple in half, you have the two ridges at the top and the two bumps at the bottom. So, alright, so now we're just going to hot glue our pony beads on. I was just going to glue them sticking up like this, because if you stick them like this, it might look weird, but you can do any way you'd like. So you're just going to put some hot glue on your page, because I don't recommend that you put it on the pony bead. You might accidentally burn yourself. So let's see. So you're just going to stick them on like that and continue until you have it all filled up. So this is what my pumpkin looks like. I have some flat ones to define the eyes, and then I sort of colored it in black. And then I made these curly cues. So what you're going to do is, I have a little space over here. If you want to make curly cues, you just go like this. And then you have them. Alright, so you don't have to, and then I made the pumpkins it was a facing up, and then the outer edge is down flat. Alright, so it kind of gives it a 3D effect. So continue with curly cues, and then inside you're going to write what you wrote down for your saying. Mine is when black cats prowl and pumpkins gleam, may luck be yours on Halloween. You can write anything you like inside. Alright. I decorated the inside. I put two ghosts, one's a boy, one's a girl, and they both say boo. And then I wrote the saying, and then I put pumpkins, a cat, and some bats. And then there's your cover. And that's how I designed my pony bead pumpkin Halloween card. I hope you make this, and I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you hit that bell for more videos. And I'll see you guys later. I'll put my P.O. box in the description box below if you're interested. Alright, I'll see you again later. Bye-bye.